Did you know that the right air conditioner can make or break your summer comfort? If you're tired of sweltering heat and noisy cooling units, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the best 12,000 BTU window air conditioners. Powerful, efficient, and whisper quiet. Whether you need a cool escape for your bedroom, office, or living space, I've got you covered. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links in the description to grab your perfect AC. Stay tuned. By the end, picking the best one will be effortless. The number 5 product on our list is Keystone 12,000 BTU wall-mounted air conditioner. Did you know that a powerful air conditioner can be the difference between a comfortable summer and a miserable one? The Keystone 12,000 BTU wall-mounted air conditioner is designed to keep your space cool, comfortable, and energy efficient. Unlike bulky window units, this sleek through-the-wall design saves floor and window space, while delivering impressive cooling for rooms up to 550 SQ. Equipped with supplemental heating, it's a year-round solution, perfect for handling summer heat and adding warmth in cooler months. The smart remote with a built-in thermostat ensures precise temperature control, while energy-saving modes help lower electricity costs. Users rave about its quick cooling, easy installation, and intuitive remote features. However, installation requires a 230V outlet, and the heating function is supplemental, not primary. If you're looking for one of the best 12,000 BTU air conditioners with year-round functionality, this is a fantastic choice, as long as your home setup is compatible. At number 4 is FRIGIDAIRE 12,000 BTU window-mounted compact air conditioner. The FRIGIDAIRE 12,000 BTU window-mounted compact air conditioner stands out as a top choice for cooling medium-sized rooms up to 550 SQ FTWE. XTWE make it a great option for battling intense summer heat. The ready select electronic controls and full manual to remote add convenience, allowing users to adjust settings effortlessly. Energy efficiency is another strong point thanks to its low power startup that helps reduce electricity costs. While users appreciate its strong airflow and quiet operation, some mention that the included gap fillers could use better insulation. This can be easily fixed with additional weatherproofing materials. For those looking for a dependable, efficient, and easy-to-install window AC, this model offers great value. Whether cooling down a home office, bedroom, or gaming space, it delivers consistent comfort without breaking the bank. The third one on our list is Black Decker 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. The Black plus Decker 12,000 BTU window air conditioner is a powerful cooling machine that makes scorching summer days a thing of the past. Designed for rooms up to 550 SQ, this compact yet efficient unit delivers quick, consistent cooling that transforms your space into a refreshing escape from the heat. With auto, low, medium, and high fan speeds, you can customize the airflow to your liking. Installation is a breeze. Just attach the top rail, secure it in the window, and you're good to go. The remote control and LED display provide ultimate convenience, letting you adjust settings from across the room. Plus, its energy-efficient R32 refrigerant helps lower electricity costs. While it's quiet compared to other models, some users mention that placing it above seating areas may be slightly distracting. Overall, for those searching for the best 12,000 BTU window air conditioner, this unit delivers powerful cooling, energy savings, and reliability. On number 2 is Windmill 12,000 BTU Inverter Window Air Conditioner. The Windmill 12,000 BTU Inverter Window Air Conditioner isn't just another cooling unit, it's a game-changer in home comfort. Imagine walking into a whisper-quiet, perfectly cooled room on a sweltering summer day, all thanks to this sleek modern AC. With its top vent airflow and auto-dimming LED display, this unit doesn't just cool, it blends seamlessly into your space. Unlike traditional window air conditioners, Windmill's WhisperTech technology makes it 9x quieter so you can sleep, work, or binge-watch without distraction. Installation is refreshingly simple with the pre-assembled kit getting you cool in minutes. Plus, its smart home integration lets you control it from anywhere using an app or voice commands. For those hunting for the best 12,000 BTU window air conditioner, this one delivers on style, efficiency, and convenience. Though some mention the internal thermometer being slightly off, the cooling power and quiet performance make it an absolute must-have. Now moving to the last one is LG 12,000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner. The LG 12,000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner isn't just another cooling unit. It's a powerhouse of comfort, technology, and efficiency. Imagine coming home on a scorching day and with a single voice command or tap on your phone, your space is already cool and refreshing. That's the magic of LG ThinQ technology, allowing seamless control via Alexa and Google Assistant. For those searching for the best 12,000 BTU window air conditioner, this model stands out with whisper quiet performance as low as 52 dB and customizable airflow with 3 cooling speeds and 4-way air deflection. The auto restart feature ensures uninterrupted cooling even after power outages. While the cooling is impressive, some users note minor noise variations. However, the energy-saving mode and efficient fan operation make it a solid choice. If you want smart, quiet, and powerful cooling, the LG 12,000 BTU Smart Window AC is a top contender. After comparing the best 12,000 BTU window air conditioners, one model stands out: the Windmill 12,000 BTU Inverter Window Air Conditioner. With its ultra-quiet WhisperTech sleek design and smart home integration, it offers the perfect balance of performance and convenience. If you value whisper-quiet cooling, energy efficiency, and effortless control, this is the one to beat. So guys, this was the video about the best 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.